want to first give a shout out to the person who asked for this. I got you because and I kind of got emotional. My video is going to be on emotions, so okay, here we go. So emotions in Afaan Oromoo is me. The process for this is I'm going to tell you the word in English, the equivalent in Afaan Oromoo. I'm going to explain to you what evokes that emotion in me, and finally I'm going to put it in a sentence. The first emotion is happiness. Happiness in Afaan Oromoo is gammachuu. I feel this emotion personally when someone is kind and generous, when someone's passionate about something. That also gets me happy. So, as I said before, happiness is gammachuu. And if you were to put that in a sentence, you would say nan gammade. Sad is the complete opposite of happiness. And sad in Afaan Oromoo is good. I feel sad, like I've let myself down. If I was to put that in a sentence, nangad. Hunger is bed, and I feel hungry when I'm in school. Yeah, that's like the one moment I feel hungry, like during class. And if you were to say I'm hungry, you would say nambele. The next emotion is thirst. I don't know, like I feel like that's an emotion, so I put it in there. So thirst in Afaan Oromoo is emu. I feel thirsty like right now because I've been talking to the camera. Talking to the camera for over 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah, I know, it takes me a while to get this right. I kind of go off track a lot. Nan would. And then that's shock. Shock in Afaan Oromoo is nasu. If you were to put that in a sentence, you would say nanne. I feel shock. I'm not one of those people that feels shocked if someone gives me gifts or if someone gives me a compliment, because baby, I am a compliment. Come and say hi.
Shout out to home team hoops.
Okay, sorry, I don't know when I feel shocked, so I was trying to explain to them what makes me shocked, you know? And you know, I don't feel shock like that.
Oh, okay.
So I was wondering if you could tell them what would shock you.
If the house is dark and I'm just like walking through it and somebody just comes out of nowhere, I'm gonna be shocked. I'll be like, you get me?
Okay.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good.
Shout out home team hoops.
Stop. Another emotion I feel is fear. Yeah, obviously everyone feels fear. So fear in Afaan Oromoo is soda. So you would say nan sodaate. I feel fear when I feel fear. Okay, I feel fear. Horror movies. Like I've never actually sat down and watched a horror movie. I get nightmares from watching trailers. Like, you know how trailers pop up out of nowhere, like the Latino, and then I'm just like, no. So I feel fear when someone mentions a horror movie, I feel fear. You know, that's devilish. Anyways, next thing is boredom. Boredom is nufi. Nanufe is what you would say. I get the emotion of boredom when I feel like I'm doing something that won't benefit me later on in life. So another emotion I feel is ari, which is anger. So anger is ari, and I feel that emotion when someone doesn't do what they're supposed to do. Like when I'm relying on someone and they decide, oh no, I'm not gonna do it. Like that gets me angry. Like when group projects, like if you're not going to do work, I'd rather have you tell me I'm not going to do the work so I can do the work. But if I'm relying on you and I'm like, oh, are you going to do the work, and you lie to me and you say, yeah, I'm going to do the work, and you don't do it, I'm gonna be angry at you. And if you were to say that in a sentence, you would say nan ari. Shame is kani. I feel shame when I don't stick to my moral ethics. Obviously I won't feel the shame at the moment, but later on when I'm going to bed, I will literally spend an hour or so thinking about my actions. I'm not even joking. In that moment I would say nan kane. Okay, and jealousy. Jealousy is hinafu. I don't feel jealous anymore, but as a child, that's a lie. But at the moment I cannot recall when I felt jealous lately. But when I was a child and my sister would get something and I wouldn't, like if I didn't get the gift or something, I would get jealous. So I would experience a lot of jealousy in my childhood. And if I was to say I am jealous, I would say enough. I advise you not to have that emotion, because if you do, you'll never feel enough with yourself, and that's pretty true for me. Then we have hate. Hate is jib. I can't tell you that I hate someone because that's against my morals and principles, but I do hate rice. Yeah, I think that's it. If you were to say it in a sentence, you would say nanjib. Love is jalal. I feel the emotion of love when someone takes notice of my interests, my values, and my passions. If someone notices, this is like a trivial, like small thing, but if someone notices I care for the elderly and they decide to volunteer alongside me in an elderly's home, then I will love them. So, I mean, I love everyone, but I would love them more than I would usually love someone. In that case, I would say nanjalat. And I love flowers and nature, so I would say nanjalat. That was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you learned a lot. Lately, I have been trying to advertise this more, so I decided to be adventurous and I got a Twitter account. I really need you guys to follow me and I will follow you back. I know, it sounds desperate, but yeah. Anyways, what I'm wearing today was from my brother's wedding. He got married on New Year's Eve, and that is also one of the reasons that I was busy. But yeah, it was fun, and this is my bridesmaid outfit. Yesterday when I was filming this, it took me 2 days to film this because I messed up on the first day and I was missing some words, so I had to get back into it. That's why my hairstyle is a bit different from yesterday's. I can show you the belt actually. It's kind of cute, right? And it was all designed by Self Designs. And my hairstyle is from the Oromoo people. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe.